Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some delicious chicken tortilla soup. So to start this recipe off, we're gonna go ahead and saute some onions and garlic and a little bit of oil in our pot. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a few spices just to wake them up a bit. I'm adding in some chili powder, paprika, smoked paprika, cumin, and a little bit of ground coriander. We're just going to let that saute with those onions and garlic. It'll just waken up our spices and toast them a bit. Next, I have some chopped up chipotle peppers that's in adobo sauce. I didn't add all of the seeds. I didn't want this to be too spicy, so be aware of that. If you don't want too much spice, don't add all the seeds because it can get pretty spicy. Next, I'm going to add in some tomato paste, and we're going to work that in with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add in a can of diced green chillies. And then I'm going to add in a can of drained corn, a can of black beans that's been drained, one can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, some Mexican oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper and salt, and then I'm going to top it off with some chicken broth. Now here I have some chicken thighs that I put in my pressure cooker. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. You don't have to shred it up because the chicken will naturally shred as you're stirring the soup. Don't really pre-shred it before you put it in the soup. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop a lid on this, and we're going to let this simmer on like a medium-low for about 20 minutes. And now as you can see, it's nice and thick. You guys, this soup was really good. So next, I'm going to add in a big handful of chopped cilantro. Now if you don't like cilantro, you don't have to add it. And then I'm going to add the juice of one lime. Now you're probably asking, where are the tortillas? Now you can actually add the tortillas in the soup, but I like to fry my tortillas. I like to cut them up in little strips, and I like to fry them until they're nice and crunchy, and then I like to add them on top. Now all you need is a buttered and toasted bolillo bread. Girl. Yum.